Hi, this is the RBANMS, that is Rai Bahadur Orkat Narayan Swami Mudaliar School, having almost 152 years of history. There are almost 11 educational institutions started by Sir Orkat Narayan Swami Mudaliar. This is the first free English school of our Bengaluru city. I repeat, the first free English school of Bengaluru. This school was started in 1873 by Sir Orkat Narayan Swami Mudaliar, who never had an opportunity to learn English. He started selling vegetables at Madras, which were transported from Bengaluru. Then later he started the Madras salt, which the salt were got from Madras and sold in Bengaluru. He became the merchant prince. Later, many businesses were started and even he got success. The free school was started for the poor, needy, downtrodden, and even for the girls. He got many titles for his services. In 1894, he was conferred the Kaiser-i-Hind by Queen Victoria. Lord Lytton gave him the title Rai Bahadur. His Highness Chamaraj Wadayar X gave him the title Dharma Ratnakara, and he was called as Dharma Ratnakara Rai Bahadur Orkat Narayan Swami Mudaliar. In short, it is the RBANM. Currently, the oldest English school of Bengaluru is under the renovation. The prominent members of the school were Sir K. Sheshadri Iyer, Sir K.P. Puttanna Chetty, Sir Dr. John Cook, and Tambu Chetty.